Before remembering we don't own a marine aquarium, my first thought was, why are there baby clownfish swimming around? Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. So we were just filming a new species spotlight for Red Tetras, and out of the corner of my eye spotted these little dudes. So it appears we had an unplanned pregnancy in the fish room, and there's about 6 to 8 of these little dudes darting in and out of this small area of our main aquarium. So we figured we would make a quick little video asking you guys if you have any opinion on what type of barb these fry are most likely going to be, because as we understand it, pretty much every barb has stripes as fry. However, we can whittle it down a little in terms of obviously the barbs we have in the aquarium, which is the Borneo red fins. I highly doubt it was these, though possible maybe, and the Red Panda Barbs, which my money is on. Zoom out a little bit. But the other factor is, a couple of weeks ago we did have Mascara Barbs and large 5-year-old Denisono Barbs in here, and although we redid the aquarium, we left all of the substrate. So is it possible that some eggs got saved in the substrate and they've hatched since? Because if you look at the size of the barbs, they're not newly hatched fry. They look at least 2 to 3 weeks old. So is it possible these are Mascara Barbs? I have seen LRB Brett's bred his Mascara Barbs, and the fry did have stripes. I mean, who we'll find out, I guess, in a few weeks to months on what fry these are. I'd really like it if they were the Mascaras, because we obviously lost them all. It'd be nice if they were the Borneo redfin sharks. Anyway, there's something really exciting about finding baby fish in your aquarium that you weren't even attempting to breed. And it kind of shows you that if you have an aquarium where there's a lot of hiding spaces, it's not overstocked, that your fish will reproduce on their own. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. I just want to give you a quick update on that because we found that really exciting and interesting. And we will see you very soon with a few more videos we're working on. Okay, take care guys, and I wish you a happy new year.